If you are searching for a quick and crispy recipe to enjoy with tea or as an evening treat, then this potato popcorn recipe is just for you. The best part is that they are made with very simple ingredients. These tiny golden balls are crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Once you make it, you will see how easy and tasty it is. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. First, take 3 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into small pieces. Cutting them into smaller pieces helps them cook faster and evenly. Make sure all the pieces are almost the same size so they boil at the same time. Now put them in a pan with water and boil until they are just 50% cooked. Once done, drain the water and keep the potatoes aside to cool. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Take a bowl and add half cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Then slowly add water as required and mix well to make a thick and smooth batter. Now take the half-boiled potato pieces and dip them one by one into the batter. Now roll the coated potatoes in the dry flour. Do the same for all the potato pieces. Heat some oil in a pan on medium flame. Now carefully drop the coated potato pieces into the oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry in small batches. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy outside. It will take a few minutes only. Once ready, take them out on tissue paper to remove extra oil. The crispy potato popcorn is ready to serve. You can serve them with ketchup, chili sauce, or even cheesy dip for extra flavor. Once you taste them, you will surely want to make them again and again. Simple, quick, and super tasty. This recipe is a must-try for everyone. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.